Hi there, my name is William Hind and I will be explaining key signatures today. So to start with, the key signatures are depicted on the stave just after the treble clef. Normally they would be displayed here, but for today I'm going to be displaying different ones here. Now if there are no sharps or flats, as you can see here, that means it's in the key of C. Okay. Now this is because if we go here and we click on the C major scale, we can see that the C major scale has no black notes, so it has no sharp notes or no flat notes. Okay. Now if we move along to here, we can see that the key signature has one sharp in it. Now this means it's in the key of G. So if we go to the G, this is the scale. As you can see, it has the F sharp in it, which doesn't sound very good on here, but this is F sharp. So that is the only sharp in the scale of G. That is why there's only one sharp there, because that's the sharp. There's only one sharp in the scale of G, therefore there's only one sharp on the stave. Now if we move here, we have two sharps, and if we go along to D, as you can see we have F sharp and C sharp in it. Two sharps, and that is the same for this one here, which is, as you can tell, A. Now this continues on. We have, so for E there are 4 sharps, for B there are 5, for F sharp there are 6, and for C sharp there are 7. Now it's very easy to determine which of the key signatures it is. Let's take this one here. You simply look at this, the last sharp on the stave, and you find the positioning of the notes. So as we already discussed in the past, we know it's every good boy deserves food, and since the last sharp is on the space just above that line, it's the note after F, which is, well, in this case, G. So that means that this sharp is on the G note. So it's very simple. You just take that note and you go one note name up, which is A, and we click here, and as you can see it's in the key of A. That's the same for these ones. So we go to the last sharp, and that is quite clearly on the 3rd space, so F, A, C. So that is on the C. So we go one note name up to D, and as you can see, D. So the only one you would need to remember is this one, which is C, because it has no sharps or any flats whatsoever. Now it's important to remember the key signatures, and it is important to use key signatures, as this allows you to use notes that are in the scale. So for example, if we were playing in this one here, which is, as we've discussed, A, yep, A, we would go to the A major scale here. As you can see, yeah, like that, it's got 3 sharps, so there are 3 sharps. So C sharp, F sharp and G sharp. We could then use those notes to accompany this song, if that makes sense. We can make a melody out of it, and it's also what most guitarists use as a solo. Thank you for listening.